Chapter 11, How to Get Cooperation. In Chapter 11 of Success Through a Positive Mental Attitude, by Napoleon Hill and W. Clement Stone, the authors explore the art of getting cooperation from others. This chapter provides insights, real-life examples, and actionable steps to help individuals foster collaboration and teamwork. Principle 1, The Value of Cooperation. Hill and Stone emphasize that cooperation is essential for achieving success, especially in endeavors that require the support and involvement of others. They explain that the ability to get cooperation is a hallmark of effective leadership. Example: think about great leaders like Nelson Mandela, who skillfully garnered cooperation from diverse groups to end apartheid and usher in a new era of democracy in South Africa. Action Step 1. Recognize the importance of cooperation. Acknowledge that cooperation is vital in various aspects of life, from personal relationships to professional endeavors. Understand that collaboration often leads to better outcomes. Principle 2, The Golden Rule of Cooperation. The authors introduce the Golden Rule of Cooperation, which is treating others as you would like to be treated. They stress that respecting and valuing others' opinions and contributions is key to gaining their cooperation. Example: consider successful teams in sports where players respect each other's skills and ideas. This mutual respect enhances cooperation and leads to victories. Action Step 2, Practice the Golden Rule. In your interactions with others, strive to treat them with respect and fairness. Listen actively to their perspectives, acknowledge their contributions, and express gratitude for their cooperation. Principle 3, Influence through Example. Hill and Stone highlight the power of leading by example in getting cooperation. They explain that when you demonstrate a strong work ethic, positive attitude, and commitment, others are more likely to follow suit. Example: think about leaders in organizations who work diligently and maintain a positive attitude. Their behavior sets a standard that encourages their team members to do the same. Action Step 3, Lead by Example. Exemplify the behaviors and qualities you wish to see in others. Whether in a leadership role or not, your actions can influence those around you to cooperate and work collaboratively. Principle 4, The Art of Persuasion. The authors delve into the art of persuasion as a means of gaining cooperation. They explain that understanding others' needs, motivations, and concerns allows you to tailor your approach effectively. Example: consider successful salespeople who listen to customers, identify their needs, and present solutions that align with those needs. This approach often leads to sales and cooperation. Action Step 4, Understand others' perspectives. Before seeking cooperation, take the time to understand the perspectives and motivations of those you wish to collaborate with. Tailor your requests and proposals to align with their interests. Principle 5, Building Trust. Hill and Stone stress that trust is a foundational element of cooperation. They explain that honesty, reliability, and consistency are essential for building and maintaining trust. Example: think about business partners who trust each other's judgment and integrity. This trust allows them to collaborate effectively and make joint decisions. Action Step 5, Foster Trust. Consistently demonstrate honesty and reliability in your interactions. Fulfill promises and commitments, and communicate openly and transparently to build and nurture trust. Conclusion: Mastering the Art of Cooperation. Chapter 11 underscores the significance of cooperation in achieving success. By recognizing the value of cooperation, practicing the Golden Rule, leading by example, mastering the art of persuasion, and building trust, you can become skilled at getting cooperation from others. Cooperation is not just about convincing others to do your bidding, but creating an environment where individuals willingly collaborate to achieve common goals. As Hill and Stone suggest, by fostering a culture of cooperation and trust, you can harness the collective talents and efforts of those around you to accomplish remarkable feats.